Hello there and welcome to another video. Today in this video I will be going over how to use ChatGPT for writing your job application and of course resume. So if that sounds about right, then let's dive right in. The first thing you would want to do is to of course sign up for a ChatGPT account. If you do not have an OpenAI account, then you can of course register for one, and if you do, then do well to log in and follow along. And the first thing I would want to do is to tell ChatGPT to write me a template. Now, depending on your job and your job description, what you would want to do is to of course say something like write an ideal template for a specific job title. I'll write an ideal let's say resume template for a lead software engineer. All right, so hopefully this should generate something useful. Now, depending on the job title and the specifics of that job, this should basically generate a reasonable resume, which you can copy and tailor to fit what you're looking for. Yeah, so that can work like that. So the next thing we would want to look at is the actual application. Now, the thing is, we can ask it to write a sample or a template application. Let's just do that. As you can see right here, I'm using the keyword ideal. You can do that. Just do template right there. So hopefully this should drop something similar to what we just talked about, and you can copy this and of course tailor it to suit what you're looking for. But if you have basically some information, what you can do is to give ChatGPT that information and tell it to work with that information and generate something for you. But it would be necessary for you to copy it out and of course make some changes or edits. Another tool that I highly recommend you use is Teal, right? Teal Resume Builder. It does help in building your resume, especially if you're using a platform like ChatGPT. Then this platform will help you build your resume quicker. That way you don't get to type a lot, right? So it's just basically a matter of copying your information from over here and of course pasting it over here on this platform, and it is free. So yeah, that was basically it for this video on how to use ChatGPT for job application and resume in 2024. And yeah, if this video did give you some insights or tips on how to go about the process, then feel free to give this video a like and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. And I'll see you in another video.